good, YouTube friends? I hope you're all doing exceptionally well. Today we're going to look at Ethereum Classic because it's up crazy amounts today. We can see up 26.3% on the daily time frame. You're probably wondering why this is happening. It's all to do with mining. Is Ethereum Classic going to be the next paradise or safe haven for miners? Well, you can find out in this video. Before we do press on, make sure you slap that subscribe button. That really helps the channel grow, especially in a bear market. So we can see ETH is chilling at 1600, Bitcoin chilling just under $20,000 at the moment. Guys, get yourself into my Discord too, down below, completely free. There's loads of people in here that you can connect with and learn all things crypto and sort of grow together as a community. So let's have a little look. Ethereum Classic, the OG, is ranked 17 now. $40.25 of $5.5 billion market cap. Crazy amounts of volume is coming through at the moment. We can see last 3 months have been quite rocky. We did come out from those lows of just $14, which is an absolute bargain, to be honest. Getting ETC at $13 was a steal, and I really regret missing out on that one, actually, to be honest. But hey ho, things happen. You know, there's always going to be opportunities in the future for more accumulation. But yeah, it's moving really nicely, almost looking completely parabolic on this 7 daily time frame. Most of the volume is coming from Binance, Huobi, Coinbase. Of course, Binance is always the crypto leader when it comes to actual global volume. So Ethereum Classic, this is the latest news, a crypto with smart contracts, which represents immutability and neutrality. They haven't really been posting too much on their Twitter, to be honest, so there's not really been much persistency with communication, but we've done a bit of research. We're going to look at why Ethereum Classic is pumping today. So it's quite interesting. If you're an Ethereum Classic holder, this is for you. So it's all to do with the Ethereum Classic hash rate as well. So we can see the hash rate is coming up to some crazy amounts recently, all the way at 47. If we look at the month historically, it's much lower. You see, look at the year, again, so much lower. So it's all to do with the mining. This is really bullish. We're not going to completely go into the depths of what the hash rate is, but we can see, looking at the all-time high, it's certainly moving in the right direction. So minus Ethereum Classic activity as merge nears. The hash rate of Ethereum Classic hits an all-time high, which reduces the risks of a 51% attack. Holders of ETC are cautiously watching the mining activity of its blockchain. As the approaching merge of Ethereum and its transition to the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism puts more attention on the 6-year-old cryptocurrency, the drastic jump in activity may signal a shift in focus for cryptocurrency miners. It could also reduce the risks of a so-called 51% attack on Ethereum Classic, which have been levied against the blockchain in the past. The hash rate of the Ethereum Classic network, measures of computational power per second used when mining a cryptocurrency, hit an all-time high on Thursday. According to the data from market intelligence firm Messari, the Ethereum Classic hash rate was 42 terahashes, or 42 trillion hashes per second. And right now, I think it's even higher, isn't it? So we just saw that. There we go, 47.88, so even higher. So this is really good for Ethereum Classic, of course. We can see here, breaking Ethereum Classic ETC hit with 51% attack a week before Ethereum. That was in 2019. So of course, it's still lingering in the air. It's notorious for it. So I'm very happy to see that the hash rate is pumping the way it is. Another one, top mining pool to support Ethereum Classic ETC after the merge. Basically, really good stuff. Blockchain Explorer and Mining Pool BTC.com has now added support for Ethereum Classic as Ethereum network switches from proof of work to proof of stake with the merge. The Mining Pool has launched the Mining Pool BTC.com ETC pool with 0 fee mining for 3 months. So this is extremely bullish that Bitcoin.com has launched Ethereum Classic mining pool ahead of the merge itself. So this is a really good way of getting involved in the movement, in my opinion, of the Ethereum merge, and this is how you can get some exposure in the protocol upgrade and actually ride the Ethereum merge proof of work to proof of stake wave. What else do we have? Is Ethereum Classic the next safe haven for Ethereum miners? Here is speculating. So the last and final Bellatrix upgrade was pushed earlier this week as we approach the date of the Ethereum merge. With the merge putting an end to the ETH mining community, miners are searching for other alternatives to stay in business. So it definitely shows that Ethereum Classic is rising in terms of its popularity, and the price has soared. If you bought in June, July, May, you'd have made a healthy 200% plus on your investment. So feeling very, very excited for the Ethereum Classic community right now. I think there's a lot going on. So let's have a little look at the technical analysis side of things. First thing first, these vertical blue lines highlight the oversold positions on the daily time frame, and you can see that investing each time would have led to some pretty strong gains. That oversold position rallied there. This oversold position rallied all the way over here. So I always like to look for those oversold positions because I think they offer the most value in terms of an entry. So what's recently happened is we had a nice bull flag here. 20th of July, we pumped again. Ethereum Classic hash rate goes up. It goes all-time high. We get another crazy pump. So we have moved recently massive amounts, 26% on that daily time frame. We've broken through this diagonal resistance here, almost like a descending triangle, so to speak. And typically it's quite a bearish pattern, but we have seen a nice reversal to the upside. Now what we're looking for is the next level of resistance to be targeted, which is just about here at that $45.60 level. I'd like to see ideally some continuation up to this resistance, try retest the resistance, retest the support, then make our way up to that $54 level, and then continuation to the upside. So really we want to see this resistance targeted or retested from the 23rd of March, and of course this retest of here from the previous retest in July and August on the support level. And it also kind of looks like a bit of a double bottom reversal pattern here, so extremely bullish scenes here for the Ethereum Classic movement. So hopefully we can see a bit of continuation. 20-day moving average, naturally we're a bit overextended, but it's not a problem. Bollinger Bands are sitting right at the top. Historically, when you are at the top of the Bollinger Band, that is when you consider going short, because slightly overheated, bit too much volume, bit too much movement too soon, but it doesn't mean we're going to go into the inception of a new downtrend anytime soon. But yeah, really, really nice to see this particular activity. For our time frame, we can see we're just putting through a red candle at the moment. It doesn't look too bearish at all. I wouldn't be that worried, but we are getting a bit of roll over here on the hourly time frame. 30-minute, we're extremely overbought on the RSI, putting through higher highs and higher lows on the relative strength index, and the volume is now dropping off slowly as we do see the peak of the euphoria. So it's really critical that we do hold this, in my opinion, this kind of support region around here. Looking at the $39 region, because it does sort of look like we're putting through a bit of a descending channel now on this particular 30-minute time frame. So there is a chance that we could either break through the resistance of $40.70 or we flop through the support level of $38.90. Now hopefully that won't happen, but there is always the chance that it will. So let's see what does happen here. We do have another support region for Ethereum Classic. If we do break, we've got this support level as well to rely on at around $37. So I think it looks quite interesting. Ethereum Classic has moved in some crazy ways recently. We're either going to break to the upside of this descending channel or even bull pennant. I'm not sure what you'd want to call it right now, but there is every chance that we do see either another pump. Plan A would be this pump up to $45, and plan B would be the unfortunate plan where we sort of unfortunately retrace back down to about $37, where we might see continuation to the upside. Either way, Ethereum Classic has performed fantastically. If you are bullish on Ethereum Classic, guys, do subscribe to the channel. And remember, get yourself into my Discord channel as well. It's completely free to do so. And check out all the links down below. The $100,000 giveaway for Tamadoge as well. The next 10x meme coin, in my opinion. And yeah, really, really cool to see what's going on. So 2022 is offering a lot of opportunity right now. Bear markets do present lucrative strategy and investment opportunity. Not financial advice, of course, but everyone is saying crypto is dead in bear market, blah, blah, blah. Sure, retail investment and retail interest is down, but in reality, the bear markets is where you're undervalued and you can hold for 2-3 years, and that's where you have the most upside potential. In a bear market, you don't care about the ups and downs as such. You just care about accumulating within a range that is rather undervalued, right? Retrospectively speaking, versus the euphoric and overbought levels like when Bitcoin is at 70K, because you just dollar cost average in, right? You position yourself small amounts of capital each time. Fear and greed index sitting at 22, guys. So lots of fear in the market. It's natural when we see Bitcoin flop, but this is a bear market. What can you say? So crazy things are happening. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Make sure you stick around, subscribe, like I say, and yeah, let me know what coins you want me to look at. We've got an ocean of green. Crypto is looking amazing. See you soon.